Welcome back to another episode of SquareMax Customs. This week we're going to work on the J10 crew cab project. I appreciate you guys all coming back, and for the new people, crew cab Jeep stuff. Okay, that was a lot of work. It's not gonna work. So for some reason we thought that we wanted 8-lug axles. And look, another Jeep with 8-lug axles. Before you get mad at me, the reason we're cutting this Jeep up is, look, I'll wave to you guys. Hello? It's missing. It's bad is what I'm trying to say. The floor is bad, the roof's bad. It's an old Titusville, Florida water treatment truck. Plus, we didn't get a title for it. It was just an old parts truck that we bought. But look, it's got the bumpy fenders. So we're probably gonna take them for the, J10 build. That way it matches the bed that's on the J10. So that'll be cool. The rear end is literally, it's a big solid piece of steel. Like they don't turn no more, like it's where the gear oil is supposed to be. It's a lot of water and rust, and what I'm trying to say is it's not gonna work. The J10 is gonna stay a J10 and not be converted to a J20. 6-lug it is. Alright, look at this old ratty door panel. You guys see that diamond plate one? That thing was pretty snazzy. That J10, she was a sharp rig. Hopefully, maybe we can get enough diamond plate to do all 4 door panels. Probably not. That stuff's expensive. Look at, found the best thing about the whole Jeep. It had a bow tie. They hid it behind the power window switch, but look at the bow tie. What's wrong with Jeep? Why would they do something like that? Hey, I think what we're gonna do is cut this corner of the door off. There's like 700 of you that mentioned it. So that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. Well, what do you think? Hey, I keep telling y'all, I I don't know what I'm doing. I'm no professional. I'm just a backyard redneck, and my brother's the same, and we just like to build cool things. So with that being said, why don't you guys let me know if I'm doing this wrong or if I'm doing it okay? Somebody told me once that corners on body work and welding isn't good to heat travel. I don't freaking know, so I cut it round. Plus, you know, we need to patch a round hole anyways, so let me know what you all think in the comments. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I mean, if you like the content, it don't hurt, but it helps me and the channel grow. Whew, sweating. All right, I'll stop. I'm stop ranting now. Thank you. Well, welcome back, everybody. A-lug axles might not be working for me, you know. It was my dream, but at least I do have some lift springs and fix this bulldogging we got going on here. Just gotta get a couple things off and a couple things back on. Let's see what happens. Look at that. The hole's gone. I'm sorry for anybody that wanted it to be a step. It's not gonna be a step. That looks pretty good. That's just temporary, because I mean, I still gotta fix this back of the cab. The cab's not welded on yet. We still gotta, you know, adjust and finagle it. But to get it roughed in, that's pretty freaking good. Everything lines up pretty good. This seems a little off, but that's fine. We'll actually probably cut it down a little bit. But hey, look, door opens, door closes. That can't ask for much more than that. I mean, I'm happy with it. So, brother's ripping the leaf springs out. That way we can make the old Jeep sit level. You know, that old bulldog and stuff's for, I don't know, it's for the past. The hot rodders. This ain't a hot rod. I mean, maybe it's a little bit of a hot rod. No, it's a truck. We're gonna do truck things with it. And join the truck gang, yeah. Oh, hey there. Welcome to SquareMax Auto Paint Correction Facility. We're just gonna blend our area that we just fixed all up. We don't want, you know, the door it's weird. So I'll show you what to do. Make sure you clean it. Don't be a hack. Clean your paint area before you paint it. You want your paint to stick. And shake your cans for, well, that long. That'll work. And get yourself, you know, just tape your area off so you don't get overspray. Nobody wants no overspray. We just try and fix the door. Just a couple light coats, nothing crazy. Turn your can upside down and spray it. You gotta clean your nozzle out. You don't want to get all clogged up or nothing. Don't use the same spot, you know, I don't know. Flip it over, use a different spot. You don't want your colors to blend good, you know. Check it out, ready? Yeah, I mean, that's definitely $2,000 fix or so, I would say. Barely tell now, it's good as new. Look at that. That's nice. Should have paid me to put door pins in it. Well, did you look at that? I mean, I can't even tell where we did the body work this week. They don't call me Bondo Max for nothing. Hey, on a real note though, that's not too bad. It's only roughed in. What do you think, buddy? How's your truck coming along? You happy?
I like it, man.
It's way different. I mean, we still got to raise the cab like an inch to fix the body line. We got a lot of work left. Maybe a couple more zap screws back here to make sure the back don't blow off. We don't want that to come off when we start driving. We'll probably take a marker and draw our door gap because it's just not right. But if we draw one, it'll trick the eye, and that's all that matters. Hey, we appreciate every single one of you. I'm so happy that you guys all come see us in our crazy adventures. Look, it's level. Before I forget, like, we got a lift kit in the front. How cool is that? Got no more door pockets. That's way better. You know, we didn't get the 8-lug swap it, but hey, that's a future thing. You can always rebuild that axle later on, and we can slide them both in. It's only, you know, a good day's worth of work when the time comes. Hope you guys all come back next week. Love y'all.